Oh, no, Craig has a question. Okay, go
I
ahead, Craig.
no.
I'm sorry. Just I thought I'd try to fit this one in if I
You
could.
can.
Um, yeah, it sounded like there's some hesitancy for some reason for the React community to adopt signals, or even work with anybody else to help. Do you have some insight into why that is, and do you think that is in the future that could make it harder for frameworks to coexist with React? Like everybody else can play together nicely, but React can be on its own.
I don't really know the React community, but I can't see a situation where everybody's moved to a platform provided API that has, because the idea is performance and DX. That's what Signal can bring. So if there is something that's already present in the browser that everybody's using, there is no way that React won't move to it. There will have some people that will have some. There's a lot more external libraries in the React community than, for example, in Angular. It's more like people like when it's come from the Angular team or from very well-known people like the NGRX team, etc. But in React, a lot more things. So if it's something that's provided from the platform, like the Signal proposal wants, then it will eventually land. I can't see it staying on the side, because if it can bring DX and if it can bring performance, there's no reason to not go with it.